If you're planning to fly out and study abroad in September 2026, you probably think you have a lot of time. You don't. April is your make or break month. And no, this is not a generic warning. Whether you are aiming for the USA, the UK, Canada, or Australia, missing this month will delay your dream by a whole year. Let me tell you exactly what you need to do right now without causing any panic. Let me tell you a quick story about two friends. Let's call them Rahul and Aman. Both wanted to go to a top university in the UK. Rahul was a topper. He decided to wait until July to get his final degree certificate before applying. Aman had average marks, but he applied right now in April using his previous semester marks. What happened? Aman got the seat. The university gave him a conditional offer, which means they saved his seat on the conditional that he just passes his final exams. When Rahul finally applied in July with his top marks, the university said, "Sorry, we are full." The topper lost the whole year just because he was slow. Mistake number one is waiting for your final results to apply. Secure your conditional offer today. Mistake number two, leaving your English test for the summer. Whether you need IELTS for Canada or PTE for Australia, do not wait. Thousands of other students are going to book their exams in June. The testing centers will be full and you will not get a seat. Use April to book your slot and finish the exam. Get the score in your hand and you are officially ahead of the crowd. Mistake number three, the money trap. Education loans do not happen overnight. If you are going to the USA, banks takes weeks to check your property documents and signatures for your I-20 and visa. If you wait until August to ask for a loan, you will be stuck in a line and you will miss your flight. Tell your parents to start gathering their financial documents right now in April. Now let's look at the real advantages of starting right now. First, you get the cheapest flight tickets because you're booking months in advance. Second, you get the best rooms in the university hostels before they totally sell out. And third, your summer holidays will be actually stress free. Is there a disadvantage? Yes, there is one. The only disadvantage is that starting now takes extra effort. You have to balance your final college exams and your study abroad paper at exact the same time. It feels like heavy work today, but it is the only way to save your entire career tomorrow. Now, I just gave you the general map. Get the offer, finish the English test, and start the bank work. But here is the truth. The exact deadlines of the US universities are completely different from UK university. Your budget and your marks changes the whole game. We just gave you the general map. To build a timeline for your specific budget, marks, and dream country, walk into Uni Experts branch this week. If you want to know exactly which course to pick, which universities are the best, and how to actually get there, hit that subscribe button right now. We break down real world careers and study abroad secrets every single week. Stop just scrolling and start building. So do not choose based on the noise. Choose based on fit. The fit between you, your course, and your future. Good decision starts with clarity, and Uni Experts is your one stop solution for study abroad.